Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Your paycheck is not a reward. It's a weapon. And it's being used against you. Every month, you feel safe when that salary notification hits your phone. Relief, security, validation. But what if I told you that same paycheck is the reason you're stuck? Think about it. If you were truly free, why do you panic when salary is late? Why does one missed paycheck create fear? Because your lifestyle isn't built on freedom. It's built on dependency. And dependency is control. The system doesn't need chains anymore. It uses comfort. Your paycheck is designed to keep you just comfortable enough not to quit. Just stressed enough to keep working. Just busy enough to never think. You're not underpaid. You're perfectly paid to stay predictable. You call yourself ambitious. But your entire survival depends on one SMS alert. You say you want freedom. But you built a lifestyle that collapses without HR approval. That's not freedom. That's financial submission. And the dangerous part? You don't even see it. The paycheck creates a cycle. Salary, bills, small comfort, repeat. Maybe you upgrade your phone. Maybe you take a vacation. Maybe you buy a car on installments. But your freedom? Still zero. The system doesn't want you broke. It wants you dependent. Because a dependent worker never rebels. Let's fast forward 10 years. You're older. Expenses higher. Responsibilities heavier. Still waiting for the next raise. Still negotiating 10% increments. Still trading time for survival. And inflation? It's eating your future silently. Your paycheck grows slowly. Your cost of living grows aggressively. Who's winning? Not you. Here's the real weapon. Predictability. When income is predictable, risk-taking dies. Entrepreneurial thinking dies. Urgency dies. You stop asking, how do I escape? And start asking, when is appraisal season? That shift is the trap. I'm not saying quit your job. I'm saying stop worshiping your paycheck. Here's the framework. Keycap 1, your salary should fund assets, not lifestyle upgrades. Keycap 2, at least 30 to 50% of every raise goes to investment. Keycap 3, build a second income before upgrading anything. Keycap 4, emergency fund equals 6 months survival minimum. The goal isn't more salary. The goal is less dependency. The moment your investments can cover your expenses, your boss loses power. Your HR loses power. Fear disappears. Negotiation power increases. You stop begging for increments and start choosing your moves. That's financial dominance. If this video made you uncomfortable, good. Because growth begins with discomfort. Most people will ignore this message. They'll go back to chasing promotions. But if you're serious about escaping the paycheck trap, subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't chase salary. We build systems. And systems build freedom. See you in the next one.